was doing that last night. I think she went for a freaking bath last night and I was thinking I got that one off.
Hey guys, back him up! Back him up!
I'm glad to get rid of that freaking.
Good work, Dane, good work.
Oh, that was. I was doing that last night. I think she went for a freaking bath last night and I was thinking I got that one off.
Hey guys, back him up! Back him up!
I'm glad to get rid of that freaking.
Good work, Dane, good work.
Oh, that was.
Still. That's as far as you can go forward, Dane. That's as far as you can go forward to clear this zone here.